Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Sony WH-CH720N headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair it with your application. To do so, at first you have to open this up. Here we have to click I read the above content and agree and our country origin. Now we have to click start. Now we have to click agree and proceed, agree and start using, click OK, allow, and now we have to wait. As you can see, registered WH-CH720N. Now we have to click OK, later if you don't want to sign in, and now continue without restoring. Next, later, later, next, later, OK. Go to my device, and that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.